everybody, welcome to my channel, Through Life Cinema.
Daddy, can you really catch a bird by putting salt on his tail?
Well, don't bother me, Andy. Can't you see I'm busy?
I feel something bad is coming. Nobody in there. Who is gone? This moment decide everything.
Daddy, it's that woodpecker again.
Oh no, what are we gonna do now?
Guess who?
I think it's...
Did you get him, Daddy?
Give me that gun! Now, wise guy, I'm gonna blow you full of holes just like you put on my roof.
The mood just changed. After this, nothing will be same.
You're not going to pull that old gag on me, are you, son? Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb.
Okay, take it easy. Take it easy. She was so beautiful.
Betrayed! Betrayed!
He thinks he got it.
Yeah, look, Ed, he's got me, he's got me. He's got me. Hold tight, Pop. Here we go. Some fun, eh, Pop?
Oh no, what she did?
Last one down is a rotten egg. It works. They got me. Get me out of here. Let me out of here. Get me out of here. Help! Help! Get me out! Help! Help! Get me out! Help!
They come to help you, don't worry.
Confidentially, this guy's crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's nuts. We know his whole family. They're all batty. Now take us, for instance. Why, we're different. We're...